is like riding on a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Hello my dear students and my dear friends. Welcome to the channel. This is Annapurna and today we will be learning some of the important, powerful and potent antiviral foods, herbs and spices which come directly from our kitchen and our gardens that help us to build our immunity levels higher and stronger so that we can fight this deadly and life-threatening coronavirus. Now, with the increasing numbers of the COVID-19 cases all over the world, in fact, this is a stressful time for all of us as there are no vaccines or no cure for this disease. But the right answer would be a stronger immunity. We can only modify our diet with the right type of food which will help us in the long run to fight the viral infections like the coronavirus. Now, children, we have an immune system in our body like any other systems, the digestive system, the respiratory system, circulatory and so on. Now, our immune system is provided with a set of tissues, organs and cells which are responsible to safeguard our body against any foreign bodies, pathogens or disease causing germs like the viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoa and so on. Now, our immune system is directly dependent upon the digestive system. Now, whatever the foods we are eating, the nutrition we gain from the food has a direct impact upon our immune response towards any disease causing germs. So, we must be careful on what type of food we are having daily, meal on meal, because that has an impact on our immunity. So today, let's learn few foods which are really helpful for us to avoid any infections. The first and the foremost would be fruits and vegetables. Now, fruits that are high in vitamin C content like the amla, lemons, all the citrus fruits like oranges. They can be taken. They provide an alkaline, a good environment in our digestive system. So, they must be encouraged daily to have, as they will definitely help us to protect against this deadly virus. Now, fruits can also be made into smoothies by mixing along with some herbs and other cereals. That would be a great start for the day, used as a breakfast. Now, the vegetables. After washing them properly, they can be half boiled or fully boiled or used as salads. The vegetables are a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Now, the next would be a wholesome nature-made foods, not the processed or the packaged ones, like the unpolished rice, the brown rice, unpolished cereals and unpolished pulses. They are gut friendly and they promote a good digestive health for our system. Now, the next would be spices. Now, we Indians are blessed with many delicious and many spices that are available in our country. We can use them because they have immense healing properties like the cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, muletti, also known as licorice. They can be used in our foods, or they can also be used to make any concoctions which can be taken in between any two meals. Now, other spices would include the coriander seeds, the jeera, the ajwain seeds, and the fennel seeds. I often see children separating these spices from the food, but children should always be encouraged to have these spices as they are gut friendly and they promote good digestion. Now the next would be herbs. Now the most important herb which are found almost in all of our gardens, that is tulsi. The tulsi leaves have magical healing properties. They are used in Ayurveda for thousands of years for their immense healing abilities. Now they can be used in our food, in our daily diet. They can be used to make any concoctions which can be taken anytime as preferred in the day. Now other herbs which also can be taken along with tulsi are like thymes, the rosemary, betel leaves which has high quantity of vitamin C in it. Now these herbs, if not available in the fresh form, can be also taken in the dried and powdered form. Now the next and important spice found in our kitchen would be turmeric and also the ginger. They are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They have healing effect on our system. So children should be given turmeric and ginger when required or in their daily diet. Now the next would be vitamin D, that is sunlight. Now every day children, you must sit under the sun, sunbathing for at least 15 to 20 minutes will give you the right amount of vitamin D. Sunlight helps to synthesize vitamin D within our body. There is no need to take vitamin D supplements. Now the sunlight energizes us. It helps to kill all the germs present in our body. Now the next would be plenty of fluids. Now children, you must drink 3 glasses of lukewarm water or at least 2 glasses of water early in the morning, because that will help to flush away, to wash all the toxins away from your system. Now the next would be vitamin E, which is found abundantly in the nuts and the seeds like the almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds. You can munch on these nuts, sprouts or any other seeds because they are a rich source of vitamin E. Now I hope children you have understood these few foods, herbs and spices which work magically on our system and they prevent any virus or bacteria entering into our body. So I hope you will involve these foods, spices into your daily diet and protect yourself from the deadly, life-threatening coronavirus or any other viruses or bacteria. Take an adequate amount of rest, adequate amount of sleep and drink plenty of fluids. Definitely the coronavirus will be miles and miles away from you. Take care. Bye bye. Keep subscribing for more such videos.